Hi everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me. My name is Soraya. So I have been addicted in creating modified blooms. It's such a great technique. I really love to do them, and I've created a few of them, but this is kind of the first one that really worked out. So keep watching to see exactly what I've done. So for time's sake, I decided to pour down the white paint. It's just house paint. And then I decided that I would try out using these paints straight out of the container without adding anything to it. I was getting a little bit skeptical about using it straight out of the container because it seemed to be spreading quite a bit, but it ended up being fine. The cell activator is just Floetrol mixed with Mars Black. This technique is so addictive and so much fun to do. I had a blast. Really, the hardest part is knowing when to stop modifying. I was inspired by Milkyway art design Sharmin. She's got an amazing channel and she does these kinds of modified blooms. You should go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description area to her channel. So this does look different than what you saw at the beginning of the video, and that's because I decided to embellish it by adding more color to it. And you'll see that video right after this has dried. It's so much fun to create these swirls and really make something look like a petal or a flower just out of blowing paint around. It's pretty cool. I sing next. In my solitude, you haunt me with dreadful lees of days gone by. In my solitude, you taunt me with memories that never die. I think I got pretty lucky having this work with just paint coming out of the container itself, because the paint does need to be a certain consistency, and that I think is the hardest part to all of this, is getting the paint to the right consistency. If you're interested in purchasing my artwork, you can find my contact information in the description area. I also have websites where you can buy prints of all of my artwork, and that's in the description area as well. I'm looking for a name for this one, so any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. I ended up changing this up just a bit after it dried. Keep watching to see what I mean. Okay, here it is. This was so much fun to do, and the colors you can't see right from here, but there's a lot of shimmer to it, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to see more of that once it's dried. So stick around for one more second. You can see this when it's completely dry. So here is the painting, and I think it looks really, really lovely. I would like to add some color. You could see the shimmer in there, and it dried beautifully, but I think I'd like to add some more color to it. That's what I'm going to work on now. So you can see by the pad that I'm using that I've got some yellow mixed in with a tiny bit of Liquitex matte medium, and that color goes on top of the colors that are already there to transform it. I have a video later on that shows you the exact colors I used to embellish this. I thought the painting was very lovely just the way it was, but I was very happy when I added these different colors to it to enhance it just that much more. I've got up-close images near the end so you can see all the details. I love what color can do. It just looks so much richer. Just to give you an idea, I started off with about a quarter size of matte medium on my palette board, and I still had lots left over when I'm finished. Okay, so here it is all done, and I'm loving how colorful it is now. It's even more colorful than it was before, just much more joyful. And I'm loving what I see. I think it turned out great. This is such an addictive technique. I think I'm going to be having to try this over and over again, so keep watching for more of my videos on these. So these are the colors that I used to enhance it. This is the Amsterdam Azo Yellow Deep Hue, Artist Loft, a Brilliant Magenta, and Pebeo Studios Orange Cadmium, and Amsterdam's Ultramarine Violet, and Amsterdam's Sky Blue Light. Join my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts, and Pours. The link is in the description area below.